Hi. Few words about shamanic tribal acupuncture. It is a healing process, a healing ritual that combines the medicine from east to west. After 20 years of experiencing Chinese medicine and decade of practicing shamanic healing energy work, I decided to combine them both into a shamanic tribal acupuncture. So in a setting of a group, while we bring up to 16 people together, we ask everyone to set an intention for their healing from the very physical to the emotional, mental, or spiritual level, or all of them, and inviting one by one to lie down. I pass by and take the pulse, feel the pulse, listen to the intention, to the calling for the healing, and ask for guidance for specifically open points of energy with acupuncture in order to allow the flow of energy to restore balance and to bring healing on a deep level. While the process is happening, me and my team, B team, supporting and holding the space with shamanic energy, vibration, sounds, music, smudging, and more and more. The whole process takes about 2 hours, and it's individual as well as group together. That's why it's a tribal thing. Come and experience a really deep, profound healing with us.